Hey guys, welcome to the Building a WordPress Website series. In this series we will be building a WordPress website from scratch, and it'll be a web development based blog website with additional functionality. We'll be integrating a photo gallery, video gallery, a download repository. So it's going to be more than just setting up a blog. It's going to be a pretty full-featured website. So chapter 1, we will mostly discuss the fundamentals of blogging, what it is, why people start blogs, why it's good to add a blog to your business website, stuff like that. And we'll also go over what WordPress is and what content management is, because WordPress is not only a blogging platform, but it's also a content management system. We'll be discussing and visiting WordPress.org as well as WordPress.com. WordPress.com is more of it's a hosted solution, so you can have a WordPress blog without having to install it on your web host and do all that kind of stuff. But you're really restricted in terms of themes and functionality and just access. Using WordPress.org, if you install your own version on your own host, you have full access to. So we'll discuss that, and we'll compare the two and see what's better for who. In chapter 2, we will get our local environment set up, which means we'll be installing XAMPP, which is an Apache server that has PHP and MySQL and all the stuff we need to run a WordPress site locally. And we'll obviously be installing WordPress. We'll be installing version 3.5.1, which is the latest version at this time. And then we'll do our initial configurations, and we'll have a back office tour. A back end tour. And in chapter 3, we'll start getting our hands dirty, and we'll create some pages. We'll create our static pages through the CMS, and we'll also create our blog categories and then start posting. And we're also going to be setting up forms. We'll be using quite a few plugins, third-party plugins, including the Contact 7 form, which we'll be using on our site. And we'll also look into RSS feeds as well. So chapter 4, we will be extending WordPress. We'll be looking at plugins, where to find them, how to install them, how to configure them. Same thing with widgets. We'll look at the widget manager and discuss widget positions and different themes. We'll also be creating an image gallery or a portfolio gallery for our website using a third-party plugin. And we'll also be creating a video gallery that will allow us to add videos or link videos from certain video sharing websites like YouTube and Dailymotion, and actually display them as if they were hosted on our site, on our server. And we'll also be creating a downloads repository where we could have our clients or our website visitors come to our site and search for documents like terms of service documents or references or something like that, any kind of documents. So there'll be quite a bit of functionality on this website. Chapter 5, in the last chapter, it's going to be all about themes. We're going to look at where to get themes, how to install and customize them. But more importantly, we're also going to build our own theme. We're going to build a custom WordPress theme from scratch. We're not going to convert an HTML theme. We're actually going to just start it from the ground up, create the files, do the styling, and implement it. So we got a lot of work ahead of us. I'm really excited to do this, and I hope that you guys are too. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. So let's get on with it, and thanks for watching.